so Brandon can paint over it.
Yeah, I'm glad you're getting this right.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so good in here. We have pictures tomorrow for our listing, so we need to clean everything, windows, floors, vacuum again. We're going to clean mirrors, countertops, get this thing picture ready because we have to make this look the best, in the best cute possible way. We need to make it look ready. The lights look so good still. I don't think I showed you guys the outcome of that, so I'll do that. We need to paint the doors, the exterior, plaster a couple of things, and just finish hanging some items. I'm going to create our guidebook. I'm going to create some printouts of things that we need for the frames, just like house rules and the Wi-Fi stuff. And yeah, this thing is almost ready. I can't believe it. Let's get started because we have a lot to do today. This is how the print turned out. Super cute. A little shift to the right, like tilt it down. Yes.
I know you're lying, don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire, put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you.
Making a little snack because I'm getting hangry. We just picked this up while we were at Target to get a couple of other things. We just got back from Home Depot, Target, and Best Buy. We picked up the TV, so we're about to set that up. We have to do some painting, some sanding. We're gonna fix that. I have an energy drink. B has an energy drink. We're about to start painting things.
But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy.
Little behind the scenes, I just created this for our 2 picture frames that we have over there. I guess I'll put where I got this little Wi-Fi logo from. I'll link it. It's an Etsy shop, and it's just a digital download. And then these cottage rules that we made, these are going to be our rules. They might change, they might not, we'll see. Yeah, this door looks so much better. I think B's gonna do a second coat. And this wall, oh my gosh, you guys remember how this wall looked? So much better. And he also went ahead and repainted the steps. So good. So good. Next up is this lining. I haven't talked to you guys much about the bathroom, but we have these bath mats down already. Brandon went ahead and replaced the shower curtain with this one that I got from Target a few episodes ago, as well as a new shower liner and a new shower rod. I'm gonna soak these in vinegar and water, and then we'll clean the bathtub out. The grouting in here looks so much better. Brandon redid that a couple of episodes as well. And we're gonna repaint this door. I have to put rocks into this thing and replace the toilet rolls for new ones. We'll probably just take these to the house. Clean the toilet, clean off the vanity area, organize the drawers some, and dust. I went ahead and lined this with the liner that came with the TV, just so I didn't have to fill this whole thing up with rocks, but I'm gonna fill it up with rocks now on top. Make it a little more aesthetically pleasing. That's how it looks. Just so it's not like a bag of plastic. Doesn't this look so much better with that on there instead of it just being plain? I think it makes it look more realistic, like not realistic, but like more natural, you know? It ties it all in better. And same thing with this guy over here. Love it. Bee's hard at work painting the deck and the siding. I'm about to go around and wipe all the windows down and then paint this door.
Let's get it home.
We are pretty much done with the cottage. We have pictures tomorrow. Everything is so clean. I can't wait to do like a full tour of it for you guys. How do you think it came out?
For the amount that I spent, pretty good. That one is a thumbs down.
But yeah, so full tour to come. Thanks for being on this journey with us. We FaceTime both of our parents and they are so supportive and love everything so far, so we know you guys will love it too. But until then,
see you next time.
don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, go back and watch our other videos so you can see how far we have come, because we have come really far. And we'll see you then.
Subscribe. I need to replenish my bank account.
Bye. Curtain rod? Is that what it is? Wow, your butt looks great in this shot.
Oh, thanks. I work hard for it, so.